Hello, welcome to another Design and Flow video. I'm Val, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Elementor for your WordPress website. Let's go. To edit text on your WordPress website using Elementor, you will first need to open your page in the Elementor editor. Once you do, it will look something like this. To edit text on the page, you will hover on the area that you would like to edit, and you'll see this pink box around it. You'll click the pencil icon, and that will bring you into editing the text. You can change what the text says under content in this area here. As you can see here, if you head over to this area here that says style, you can change elements of how the text looks, the size, the color. First up here is the alignment. As you can see, if I do choose to change the alignment, because there is a desktop icon here, it is only going to change the text alignment for that specific responsive mode. So if I changed alignment in the other ones, I would need to head over to the other responsive modes. To change the text color, I can head right below. If I have global colors, I can click the globe icon, choose colors that way, or I can head to this little box here of colors and choose from the color picker. There's also a way to do the color drop and get colors, for example, from an image. Best case is to have your hex codes available and copy and paste the specific hex code for your brand colors to keep things consistent. Right below text color here in the editor on the left, you'll see you can edit the typography. If you have global fonts set, you can click the globe and they will be available here. If not, you can click this pencil icon, and here at the top you can see all the different font choices that you can change. Recommend sticking with anywhere from three to four fonts consistently that you use both on your website. For the bigger fonts, a little bit smaller, like you can see here, the text, and then using these fonts on other elements of your brand, such as on collateral or content that you're having made. Here you can see that you can change the size of the text. Once again, because there is a desktop icon here, that means it is only going to be changing the size of the text for the desktop. You can also do things like change the weight, change it to uppercase, lowercase, capitalized. You can make it italic, oblique, underline, overline, line through, and you can also change elements like the line height, letter spacing, and word spacing, either by using the slider, these arrows, or typing in the exact number. There's some design elements that you can also change with text stroke or text shadow, but I'm not going to get into that with this video. So there is another sort of view you may come across that's a little different than this when you're changing text, and I will show you what that looks like. Just scrolling down the page here a little bit, these are some little icon boxes. So if I wanted to change the text here, once again I would click the pink box with the pencil icon. You can see this is just a different version of the text editor. With this specific text editor, I also have the option to make things bold. I could make things into a bulleted list, into a numbered list. I can insert links, italicize, and underline. There's also some pre-sized texts here if you want to just quickly make something bigger or smaller. Another way you may change text is through something like the testimonial box, and they're pretty self-explanatory, but as you click in here, you'll see this is called the content, and you'll see it matches. So if you wanted to make changes to what this said, you would change it here. If you wanted to change the name of this particular gentleman who left a testimonial, you could change the name there. This is where I have the title of his business and his position. That would be changed under title. And same thing here, if you want to change style for some of these sort of pre-made elements like the text boxes, or sometimes elements like icon boxes, you would go to style. And I can see that each one of these things, if I wanted to change the color or the size or any of those things, I would go to the respective part that is called. So in this example, this big block of text is called content. This of course is the image. This is the name, and then below it is the title. So if I wanted to edit elements of that, I would click into them, and then just like the other text editor, you can see where you can change the color, you can change the typography, and so forth. And that is how you edit and change different elements of your text for your WordPress website using Elementor. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.